Hi, you are watching the third video for Worksheet 2 because we're just going to do what goes in the box. Okay, so the best way to do this is make sure you have open page 1 and page 2 of your interactive notebook and be comparing them. So the first thing is always to kind of shade in the road. Okay, so I'll shade in the road in the first 4 problems. And we'll take a look. It looks like one got shaded and one didn't. So it can't be interior and it can't be exterior, right? They're not kissing and they're not touching. So it can't be vertical and it can't be linear pair. So I don't really have anything left except for corresponding angle postulate. Those are my slider friends. If I slid this off the road, that would be corresponding. Next one. Ooh, I see a Z. So I tell some folks, if it makes a Z, that spells A-I-A-T. Both of them are on alternate sides, the left and the right of this line. One's on the left, one's on the right. So I want to say alternate. Both of them got shaded, so I definitely want to say in the road and then angle theorem. Next, none of them got shaded. So I definitely want to say exterior. One's on the left and one's on the right. So I want to call that alternate. And then add in the words angle theorem. Next one. Both of them got shaded. So I'm going to say interior. Both of them are in the road. Now they're both on the same side though. Same side supplementary. Okay. You probably put supplementary here. So supplementaries are same side supplementaries or maybe linear pairs supplementary. Okay, next, ooh, 4 more here. I see, ooh, kissing, they are definitely kissing. I better write vertical. If I shade, notice one's on the road, one's off, so I can't, it's very tough. And this is not my slider friend either, so it's definitely vertical. Let me shade. Shade. Okay. So here they're off the road, but look, together they make a straight line. Those are snuggling supplements, so that means I got to write a linear pair. Whoop. These are snuggling. See how that together they make a straight line? Got to write linear pair. Ooh, and another one, same thing. So I got 3 linear pairs in a row. Okay, last 2, let's go ahead and shade. Wait a minute, 4 linear pairs in a row, because together they make a straight line. 5 linear pairs in a row. Here though, remember they both, right, doesn't 90 plus 90 equal 180? So I could say, I probably should say this is a linear pair. Oh my gosh, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 linear pairs in a row. Okay. They definitely don't look vertical. Yeah, so I've got to have to say linear pair. Next. Okay, so next page here, I got a big angle and a big angle. Let me shade my roads on these 4. So one got shaded, one didn't. So it can't be interior or exterior. They're not kissing or touching. So it can't be vertical and it can't be linear pair. So the only thing I have left is corresponding angle postulate. Ooh, if it makes a Z, that spells A-I-A-T. They are on alternate sides and they're both in the road. They both got shading on them. So that's definitely right. They're on alternate sides and they're both in the road. Good. Nobody got shading. So it seems as if this would be exterior. One's on the left, one's on the right, so that's alternate. Alternate exterior angle theorem. Let's look. Ooh, both of them got shading, so that's in the road. Both of them are in the road, and they're both on the right. So they're on the same side. This should also say supplementary because same side has to be supplementary angle theorems. All right, next clump. Ooh, they're kissing right across the vertex from each other, and so I'm going to call that vertical. Ooh, they're snuggling. I got a acute angle and an obtuse angle that make a straight line, so you probably wrote supplementary. That's because they're a linear pair. Let's take a look at these last four. I'm just going to shade them. And I'm going to shade them. And I'm going to shade them. And I'm going to shade them. So sometimes they're out of the road, in the road, out of the road, in the road. But wait, they're touching. 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 These guys are touching. And these are touching. And these are touching. And they're all supplementary. So anytime acute supplements are touching, we call that a linear pair. Linear pair. And we got a linear pair. One more linear pair. Amazing. Okay. So last step, just so it helps me know that you watched the video to make me feel like I have meaning in my life, make sure you do name, date, period, and highlight what's in the box. Thanks for joining us.